Alrighty guys, our workout today is going to kick off with 1 minute of any stretch or mobility drill that you want. So if you're not sure what to do, just go for what's tightest or what feels like it needs the most work in the body. And if you're still not sure what to do, jump on YouTube, contact us, whatever you need to do, but find a good stretch that's going to loosen up those tight spots. From there, we have a running clock for the rest of the time. So we're going to go into 20 swimmers, 20 glute bridges, 20 ground to overhead, and remaining time of that 4-minute block that we've got left, you can do as many calf switches as you can. So there's the 1 minute of stretch at the start, 4-minute running clock for the rest of these movements. So the swimmer, 20 reps, we're gonna go into a Superman position. So arms and legs nice and long, lift them up, down by your side. That would be 1, 2, notice with this, I'm keeping my head neutral. I'm not craning it up, okay? Taking away any excess stress on the neck there. So 20 of them. We then go to 20 glute bridges. Nice and simple, just tensing your butt, pushing your heels into the ground as we move through these. We then go into 20 ground to overhead. Now with this one, guys, we're just looking for something fairly easy. It's just a warm up. So I'm just gonna go single dumbbell from there. So I can do like a clean and press, or I can do like a muscle snatch, anything like that. Dumbbell, plate, kettlebell, whatever you've got is fine. So going through those 20 reps, and then whatever time I have left out of that 4-minute block, max calf switches. So I'm here, switching the heels, taking some time just to really loosen up those calves and Achilles. So that is your warm-up. Alrighty guys, our move workout today is going to be a 4-time workout, and it's going to have a 20-minute time cap. It's a nice big chipper style workout. So what we're going to see is 50 swimmers into 100 deadlifts. We then go 50 Bulgarian split squats just on one side. You can pick right or left, but we work on the one side. We then go into 100 ski jumps. We'll then go another 50 Bulgarian split squats on the other side now to even it up. 100 single arm alternating dumbbell clean and jerks, and then finally another 50 swimmers. So this is what we call like an out and back chipper. It kind of looks like a mirror image of itself on the way into the way out. So looking at those movements, the swimmer, we are in that Superman position, legs straight and off the ground, arms straight and off the ground, back and forth till we get to 50. With that one, see if you can kind of knock out maybe like 10, 15 of them at a time. Should be something that's not super difficult to the point where you can only do like 2 or 3, but it shouldn't be so easy that you can just blast through all 50 in one go. So it should be that kind of mid-range difficult. Deadlifts, I'm gonna grab our weighted object, set up a nice narrow stance, posture tall, and then from there we're hinging the hips, coming down. Notice with the dumbbells, I'm just doing front ends of the dumbbells there. And I can also, if I'm a bit immobile, maybe my low back or my hamstrings a bit tight, I can just reduce that range and work on like wrists to calves, that sort of thing. The main thing there is to keep your back nice and straight. Now, once we finish the deadlifts, we're gonna go into Bulgarian split squats. So with this one, we'll need a bench, a couch, a coffee table, something to put our foot on. So setting up maybe about 1 meter or so out, back foot on there, and then we're posturing up, sinking down into that nice bottom position. So you notice there, just made a little adjustment. We want to have that back foot so that the laces are on the box. I set up a little too far out, so my toe was on there. Makes you feel like you're going to fall off. So we shuffle back a bit, get some more purchase, and then I can get a really nice deep position. So that Bulgarian split squat obviously be on one side for the first 50. The movement will be the same, but just other leg when we get to the other 50. Ski jumps, just getting some open space, feet together. Back and forth. If you've got a line that you can use or a chalk line or something like that, small, low object to jump over, that works well too. That one you should be able to go pretty high reps, so possibly 100 straight, but maybe think like 30, 40, 50 at a time. That one's pretty straightforward. From there, obviously we went back through those Bulgarian split squats. We then move on to the single arm clean and jerk. So this one, both heads of the dumbbell touching the ground, changing arms along the way. So you can see that the leg and back position is not dissimilar from the deadlift. It's a nice straight back, it's a hip hinge, and the difference being we're going between the legs rather than outside of the legs, so you will have a slightly wider stance. Pretty much everything's the same though. Once we complete the 100 of that, we go back into the swimmers one last time, and that finishes us off. So remember, it's a 20-minute time cap. It is for time, and that is your move workout.